Helen, what have you done? What are you talking about? Oh, I don't know. Maybe the massive fire in this kitchen. Oh, that. I leave you alone with the microwave dinner. How? Just tell me how. Well, I put the dinner in the microwave. Did you remove the film lid? Yes. And leave the Benton covered? Yes. Okay, go on. So I turned the microwave on. For the right time. For the perfect time. And then what happened? Fire. Fire happened. Whoa. You can't just go from 10 minutes in the microwave to fire. I think our microwave might be possessed. What? I can see it in its eyes. Helen, microwaves don't devise. Exactly. Helen, tell me the truth. I was infiltrated by a horde of baby dragons. Oh no, I triggered the fire alarm and it did the opposite of what I was expecting. Wait, how does that even? And on a very specific Sabbath day in 2017, God said, "Let there be fire." And there was, and stuff. Helen. The matchbox spontaneously combusted, please. And so, my childhood curses finally realized. What? In the 2nd century, this house was built as a death trap. With excessive levers and triggers kept secret to only those who would mutilate their victims, I believe that they may have disguised a button as a microwave. Helen, we bought that microwave last year. That's what the house wants us to think. They didn't have microwaves in the 2nd century. Yes, of course. They were time travelers. That explains everything. I knew it. Helen, get a grip. There's no medieval death trap in this very modern apartment. What really happened here? I used the fire in the kitchen scene. Oh, yep.